Another statement that we should be saying is hasbi allahu la ilaha illahu alayhi tawakkaltu wa huwa rabbul arshil azim. Sufficient for me is Allah. There is no God except Him. On Him I put my trust, and He is the Lord of the great throne. Sometimes you wonder about your future. Sometimes you fear for your children. You fear about your circumstances. They're not in your control. Sometimes you get anxious. You get worried about what people say, what people might do, how things might change. All these fears are real. So remind yourself, Allah is there. Allah is enough for me. And whatever that Allah has decreed for me is good for me. Hasbi Allah. Allah is enough for me. I put my trust in Him.